Hey guys, my name is Omar Thiongane, and for today's video, I'm bringing you guys 6 different exercises, okay, that will target. It's only body weight. About 2 weeks ago, I made a video where I only use one dumbbell. What I figure is that most of you don't even have any tools to use. So this is 6 exercises that you can use anywhere. You can use it on a hotel room, you can use it at the gym, and you can also use it at home. So it's gonna be great. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first exercise is gonna be a push-up. Instead of having your hands like this, okay, in this position, what you wanna do is tuck your elbows on this direction, okay? So she's gonna just look something like this. So here, okay, so that's exercise 1. Okay, that's the first exercise. If you cannot do it, if you cannot do a proper squat push-up, what I want you to do is try it on your knees. Okay, so a normal push-up is starting like this. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is just drop to your knee, and you can tuck your legs just like this. And what I also want you to do is thrust your hips forward. That way your butt is flat. That way you can do the push-up just like this. So the second exercise, what we're gonna do is burpees. Okay, what you want to do with burpees, this is your starting position. Okay, I'll start over here. So this is your starting position, and what you're gonna do, throw your feet out, come back, and you jump up. Okay, and repeat. This is a power movement, so what it does, it guarantees to make you to bring your heart rate up, and you're using your legs, your shoulders as you push up. Okay, and so it's a great way to target the entire body. So the third exercise is gonna be a Russian twist. So now we're going on to core. Okay, so what we're doing is targeting the obliques. We're gonna target the obliques, which is this side of the muscle right here. So this side of the abs. So here what we're gonna do is bring our feet to be shoulder level, to be chest level, just so your feet can be chest level at this area. And once you get here, you can either use your hands like this, or you can just touch side to side. 1, 2, 3. What you want to do is, while you're here, avoid a lot of movement on the legs. Okay, now we're going to the fourth exercise. Okay, so this is going to be a crunch. Okay, the way we're going to do it will just be, so we're going to lay down like this, knees up, feet up, and here you just blow the air out. So the fifth exercise is going to be leg raise. Now we're going to target the lower abs. Okay. Again, you lay flat. Just right here. What we're going to do, because your body's going to be moving up, what you want to do is go ahead and place your hands under your butt, just right here. Okay. And what you're going to do, keep your knees straight, lower till you're nearly touching the ground. Come back up. Okay. Last exercise is the sixth exercise. what we're gonna do is planks. Okay, so now that we target each body, each area of the abs, we did the crunches for the upper, we did the lower, the leg raise for the lower abs, and we also did the side twist for the Russian twist for the obliques. Now what we want to do is the crunch to target everything. Okay, not crunch. Now we want to do planks to target the entire abs. So what we want to do is get on the elbows just like this. Okay, right here. When you have your hands closed like this in a V, it's easier. You bring them out, it's a lot harder. Okay, and if you want to make it a little more difficult, you can even bring your hands out. So bring your feet out just like this. As you can see, my body's shaking because it's a lot harder. And so here you just hold it as long as you can. All these exercises are put together in as a circuit. Okay, so meaning they should be done with non-stop. The only reason why I did them like this is because of the video. I had to stop it so I can explain it. Okay, but the way it's performed is that you do the push-ups, you do the burpees, and you finish the burpees, you get to the Russian twist. You finish that, you go do the crunches, and you do your leg raises, and you finish with a plank. And you repeat that as many steps as possible until you exhaust yourself. Okay, or whatever you plan to do. For beginners, I would recommend anywhere for each exercise do 1 to 5 reps, and for people that are intermediate, I would say do anywhere from 5 to 10 reps, and anybody that is advanced do, I would say, 10 to 15 or even 20 reps. That sounds easy, but if you do them all at once, it's a lot harder. Okay, so this is something that I make a lot of my trainees do to exhaust them at the end of the workout. So give it a try and let me know what you think, and give it a try. This is the year for you to reach your goal, be consistent, and hold yourself accountable. Okay, because without that you have nothing, and it's gonna be a lot difficult for you to reach your goals. Get out there and get your goals done. See you guys next time. Peace.